So we'll talk about backing up your wallet now. Let's say that you've lost the device. What then? Well, if you haven't backed up your wallet, I'm sorry, but it's gone. Now, seeing as you're educating yourself beforehand, how would you go about securing your wallet? So for Bitcoin, one of the methods to do it is keeping a copy of the .dat file from your wallet's folder. You can then store it on a USB drive and lock it in a safe place. If your main device is lost, you can just copy the file onto a new device and your wallet will be restored. However, nowadays, most software wallets will have an automatic backup function and will provide you with a series of random words between 12 and 24. These words, in the same order that they are given to you, act as a wallet retrieval code. The best option would be to keep a physical copy of this information in a secure location. If needed, you can simply restore your wallet using that string of words. If you're looking for personal guidance, become a member of Read BTC's great community and step into the expert zone. This will allow you to have the skills of an expert at your fingertips. And it's only $49 a month. So what are you waiting for? Start learning today. Because earning depends on learning.